Bro, oh my God, bro.
What?
You and all just happened. We just got carjacked, bro. Look at the car be gone.
Yeah, me and my little twin stay lit every single day. All day with smiles, that's what we let it do. Running out with my little twin in style. Hey, man, stop the litness from flowing. True, take with the lit vibes and giving up a them. Motivating people, hyping people up. That's what we like to do every day. Yeah, my little twin coming from nothing to making a difference every day. When you see us, you can't help but smile. True, living life to the fullest. My little twin.
Alright, y'all, what's good? This your boy Rockin' DNA. You know what I'm saying? We about to do a prank on my boy Tay.
What?
You know what I'm saying? He upstairs getting ready, and we about to do this prank. We about to do a prank. We're gonna act like his car got stolen. So I want y'all to smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? And just be prepared for some good content. Oh, he's about to go to the store. Alright, y'all. He think we're doing a vlog, but we're not really doing a vlog. I'm pranking him. So he's about to walk into the store to get some gas, cause we need some gas. The tank on E, so we need to go get some gas. But yeah, I'm about to prank him right now. I'm waiting for him to go in the store so I can park the car. All right, he in the store. All right. All right, y'all. I'm about to get in the driver's seat. I gotta set the camera up. Oh, good. Alright. I gotta make it fast, cause he getting gas. Alright, y'all. I parked the car behind the gas station so he can think that the car really got stolen, that we got carjacked. Alright. We're going inside.
Can I get 2005, please? Yeah, they're regular. Yeah, let me get that regular, baby.
Oh, you got it.
So.
Bro, oh my God, bro.
What?
You would not believe what just happened. We just got carjacked, bro. Look at the car.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Bro, what the? Bro, are you serious? Bro, what the? Bro, I couldn't do nothing. He had a gun.
Are you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop lying.
I'm sorry, bro. I couldn't. He had a gun, bro. I'm in the middle. I thought we was doing the vlog. And this happened.
Bro, turn the fucking camera off, bro. Turn the off, man. What the f?
Man, I don't know. What the, bro? I don't know, bro.
Bro, I seriously cannot believe you fucking did that, man. What the f?
They do. They
Bro,
came up.
the car gets took. I don't care if you fucking had a car, fucking not, bro. You could did like that, man.
I'm not about to lose my life over a car, bro. At least we're still alive.
Man, I'm out here with that shit. Call Kayla, man.
We ain't got no way home, so you gotta see if somebody can give us a lift.
Yeah, I'm gonna call Kayla, man.
We need a lift or something, man.
Hello? Hey. Yo, can you do me a favor? Can you call me a lift, please?
Yeah, of course.
I'm stressing out right now. I'm pissed off right now because the fact that
Bro, his car is, he think his car is gone, y'all. His car was parked right here. It was parked right here. Oh yeah, I'm getting him good. This payback. Alright.
you got crank. I'm just annoyed. You know, I work too. Stupid shit.
Don't worry about it. I'll cover that part, okay?
Alright.
Alright, I'll text you and I'll give you the details, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Okay,
Alright.
alright.
Bro, what did I tell you? Bro, why you getting me, bro?
Bro, we can still do the vlog?
No, I'm gonna turn this off, bro. I'll tell you about that. Oh, answer the phone.
Hello?
Yo, my lit twin.
What's up?
Yo, I'm having a up day right now.
What happened?
Alright, so my car just got carjacked, yo. Yeah, yo, my car just got carjacked, yo. I'm sitting outside the gas station, right? And then I called my friend from earlier, you know, she said she was gonna call me a lit. And I'm over here stuck at the gas station, yo. And I'm like, and I literally told Rock, I'm like, man, he inside right now, man. I'm pissed off at this cause what I'm gonna do is when he get the out, man, I'm gonna tell him like I'm done with this dude, man. Cause like I'm on the verge of just saying I'm walking home, bro. Cause this nigga he inside right now, yo. Like this is some. Hey Kayla, I'm gonna call you back.
Hey.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. I couldn't stop him. He had a gun, bro.
Bro, on some real, I'm gonna be real with you, dog. I've known for so many years, bro. And the fact that you let this happen to me, nigga, I'm done with you.
Bro,
I'm done, bro.
it wasn't my fault.
I'm done with you, bro.
Come on, bro. We've been bros for so long,
Bro,
bro.
you play too much, bro. My car's gone.
How I play too much and he came to the car and jacked me?
Bro, that's you get my face, bro. How many times I gotta tell you that, dog? Get the camera on my face. I'm done with you, man. You play too much, bro.
It's a prank.
You talking about it's a prank? Where the is my car? This prank. Where the is my? Bro, where the is the car at? Bro, what the so funny?
I got you good, didn't I, bro?
Bro, where the car at?
Come here, bro. Come here.
You mother. You mother. Yeah, man. You play much, bro. Bro, my little twin, you break my bro. Never do that again, man. Play too much. Play too much, man. Don't ever do that again, man. Dog, get that out of my face, man.
Hey, everybody, like, subscribe. Show him some love, man. Tay Nation, right?
Yeah, Tay Nation ladies, yeah. Make sure I subscribe to the next video.
Hey, one thing, I got you good, didn't I?
You.
Me.
Shout out to Master Fox. Ha.
That's the bullshit. What's up? We out here though.
Like I'm too off the. I'm too off right now.
It was cold outside and everything.
Damn, that's a bull.
My diamond shining, yeah, yeah. Lights, camera, action. Everywhere I go, bright lights are flashing. Life creator, life, yeah, that's my lifestyle. Live to life, create, don't hate, that's my life. Pull up, I hear my name, it's Master Files, they know my name. No matter what event, turn up, it's all the same. Used to it.